Alright, here we are. These are all for the Walser dealer back in Hopkins. They stored a lot of their cars here. This was when KTEL came back. This is where they were the second time. So these are all the lot boys. Got to get out here and do all this stuff. Some old Remy's a nice truck, cab and a half. Kind of my own little pre-car show, right? Coming up this weekend here in the great state of Minnesota. So, I like the cab and a half. I like Chryslers. I just wish they had better transmissions. Allisons are the best. They're bulletproof. Too many 10 speeds. But they're nice. I mean, they're nice. I love the engines. Just like a lot of the campers. So we're going to walk over to Milwaukee Road by the railroad tracks, and we're going to head down by the lake. I don't know what these things go for. Let's see if they got any sticker on here. Usually they do. Said he can. All kinds of good stuff. Usually have the stickers on there. Maybe they don't probably put them on there yet until whatever, but I do like the trucks. I'll do a commercial for Kia, making the remember the old Rangers, the original ones? That's what I'd make call it the Kia Condor. Make it just the body style identical to the Ranger. 4-wheel drive, no front wheel. Any truck that comes off any lot, in my mind, 4-wheel drive. That's a Nancy boy move. Any of these vans coming off, all-wheel drive, period. So, these are nice. I just be a cab and a half, 6-foot box. That's all I would get. That's what you want, F-250 style, that you can pull your camper. This one right here is a big dog right here. That sucker's huge. Big Ram. I don't need the diesel. Don't want it. Give me a nice gas. See if there's anything on here. Nope. Nothing on. Oh, there we go. Let's see. This vehicle right here, ladies and gentlemen. 65,000, whatever, 70 grand. Hell yeah. Nice. I think is it diesel or not? Probably is. Knowing them, it probably is. Crew cab 4x4 model 2000. Base price 53,000. So with all the bells and whistles on it. Let's see if this one's got one on here. Stickers on here or not? Nope, no sticker. Well, there it is over there. Go look. Do my own shopping. And you can't buy a vehicle. The blue laws, you finally can buy liquor if you want. But let's go look here. This beast. It should be more. That's BS. That should be 30, 40. This one right here, 50 grand. I'd buy the one behind me, but I'm sorry, cab and a half. It's not like a Ranger. Bring back the small ones. PT Cruises, I have a convertible, were fun. They had transmission problems. I've been lucky with mine. I'm gonna drive mine in the summertime, so. Let's see what these ones are. It's a nice little vehicle. Let's see what they want for these pigs. See, this should be 40, 50 miles a gallon. 32,000, not too bad. Renegade 4x4, 2023. Trying to get rid of it. Nice little vehicle. I'll get you around. It's a nice gray one right there too as well. It's nice. I like that one. Cab and a half. 6-foot box. Big gas. So this was another thing. This was a KTEL. Up here, we got some boxcars up here. We'll walk past. Not too bad. I mean, not overly cold. Got my winter boots on. They were all full of mud, so I got rid of all that stuff. So I think they fear-mongered us on a foot. 15 inches they were supposed to get, right? So this is the old Milwaukee Road over here. I think they do some woodworking in there, I think. I picked some up there one day. They had some these wood they get stuff in from over that you can use for like, that's where I got my 2 big pallets I used for my bridge. I crossed over. I used those. They had them out here. I brought them home, put them together and made a bridge. A lot of job sites you get a lot of wood, so you can see up here Canadian Pacific is a big one around town here. Union Pacific are 2 ones. I'm ready for the plowing right here. I'll take this one home right here. This little bad boy right here. It's Charles. Heck yeah. Right here. Getting that bad boy. Cruise around. Heck yeah. Let me see if it's unlocked. Good, they locked it. That'd be a fun little one. Nice little plow. I did some plowing when I was 16 years old. And it was fun for a while, but it's anonymous. So here we go. I've been over before for other videos. So we're gonna walk down the railroad tracks here. The old rail yard used to come in here all the time. A little Home Depot bucket. I figure this is a little more fun for content. To walk around, just BS. Car show's coming up. Got that this weekend. That's always fun to go look at all the cars. I did a motorcycle one way back in the archives. That was fun to do. A little preview of the Minneapolis car show. That was fun. So can I go that way or not on the trail tracks? I guess I could. I really can't see I'm walking here. Let's walk through here, shall we? Let's get out of the railroad tracks. Do some good old trespassing. You can make these, there's a whole bunch of these in Lakeville. You can make those into dump trucks. Cut them in half. Shear up the bottom. And you could have at it. That's where I was over there, the bridge. Way down there. Here we go. So we're going on that Shady Oak Road up there. So you can see it's a great day for a walk, man. Kind of go walking around. They do a lot of switching at night. Ton of it. Virgin snow. We'll head up here by Shady Oak. So, take some pictures. And, yeah. 24th day, you guys, of March 2024. Walking in the snow. So, anyways, guys, see you next one.